Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Anatoly, co-founder of Solana, CEO of Solana Labs. Thank you for coming. Today is a really big day for us. We've done what no one has thought was possible. We built an entire mobile software stack and a flagship phone, all optimized to build crypto, to bring crypto into the mobile era. And now you get to experience what crypto should be like on a mobile device.
Hi legends, welcome to our channel.
The day has arrived, so now finally I can say the Saga phone, the first blockchain-enabled phone in history, is being released. So if you are a Saga Pass holder, you can order it right now, like me, and otherwise, you need to wait until a week or so before doing it. But let's just get started, because the AMA was full and rich of so much content that we need to go fast, okay? So the first part was kind of a little bit of a sale. I was talking about the premium feeling that it gets in end.
And our bread and butter is really building hardware that feels amazing in hand.
Honestly, it really looks a little bit like the Android/iPhone kind of feeling by itself. So okay, it's probably going to be pretty good. It's solid, the specs are solid. So okay, this one was just a little detail. But the most important part about blockchain enabling is going to be like the seed vault, of course.
The Web3 applications in the App Store all share the same seed vault identity. You no longer have this like 50-page menu to pick which wallet to connect with which app. All of this is automatically recognized by the operating system. You get your identity on the device. You have, like, when you get a sticker in Dialect, it shows up in your Solflare wallet, and all of this is seamless. And that's an awesome experience for users, and this is what crypto should be like.
So there is going to be a system that, not exactly, but let's make a kind of a comparison with Apple, which I've been a fan for a ton of years. And this vault essentially make you store remotely in a safe, different environment and ecosystem all your keys. And it's going to simply approve the possibility to make transaction through this extra instrument. So it's going to be a little bit like the Apple Wallet, Apple Pay kind of system, but it's going to be for the crypto side instead. So I'm really excited by this, because you need some extra form of security. There is something out there like Direct and other couple of stuff that let you actually manage your seed phrase in the way that you can recover them as well. There are some systems. This one is the first one that is enabled inside the hardware itself, so I'm super happy about this. Other note that I took about it, it's okay, it's made more to interact, not to look, the CEO was saying. But okay, so the seed vault will not keep your keys, they will just stay in your wallet. So of course you always need to have them, but this will give you an extra layer of security when making the payments essentially. So yeah, this is going to actually enable a lot better transaction. I got crypto scammed recently, so I do care about keeping it cool with my safety.
Saga is all about bringing the new mobile experiences to Web3 users. And these folks are building applications across all sorts of use cases. We have apps that can mint NFTs directly on the phone for creators. There's gaming, obviously, payments. You can use Solana Pay between devices to have seamless payment experience. DeFi, obviously. Social, I think social is one of those breakthrough use cases that can really change what crypto's all about, like social finance. One of my favorite applications is Dialect.
So then there is going to be Dialect among the apps, which this one is super cool. I've never been seen before. So it essentially takes an app, it connects it in the wallet, or it takes the wallet itself in the way that you can basically chat like Messenger, like WhatsApp, like whatever, within the wallet itself. So it's going to be a lot safer because you are actually interacting with that wallet owner.
With Dialect, you can send and receive messages through DMs and group chats, just like you would in Web 2. But in Web 3 and with wallet-based messaging, we can create experiences that are not possible in Web 2, such as smart messages, NFT chat stickers, and more.
And on top of this, it's going to be even cooler because it will be kind of a little bit AI kind of system for which you will actually be able to take your message, and with the message itself you will actually be able to say, oh listen, I want to bid for this NFT, or I want to purchase this, or put a limit order in my phone to for this price, or whatever else, or I want to buy this instead of going there and making all the mechanism or something. Even if you don't know anything about crypto, it's going to be super easy. Like,
I'm a rookie.
happy about it, eh?
Yes.
Allora, so and there also will be chat stickers that are going to be non-fungible tokens, so NFTs, and there will be chat stickers that you will use, so you will be cool, and you will be cool in the way that they know that you are simply cool for real and you're not just using the cool app.
They are animated, expressive art made by some of our favorite artists across the Solana ecosystem. And if you have them in your wallet, you can use them in chat. NFT chat stickers let you own your voice in Web3 like you never have before.
Then the Solana App Store. Solana App Store is going to be essentially like the Apple Store, and they will kind of reinvent it again by enabling the app to be built in a much simpler way. There is also a kit about it, so you can really develop apps in a very simple way, a little bit a la Apple, honestly. This is going to be pretty good because there are a lot of the apps coming up with different features, so that Dialect is just one of those, but yeah, there will be a lot more, honestly. Then one thing that I did not see coming, but I imagine that, I mean, if they would have done something about it. I didn't expect this at all.
And it takes a lot to build a fully decentralized mobile stack. It's not just a phone, it's not just a dApp store, it's also the carrier, your wireless provider. So I'm really excited to talk to you about Helium and how it's going to work with Solana Mobile.
It's a decentralized network. So basically they are relying on Helium, token symbol HNT, which by the way skyrocketed after this news, of course. And all of this is going to be basically decentralized network for which you can buy your network, put it wherever you are, and you will have the reception, and you will also mine Helium tokens that at the moment they are trading around $1.7. And all of this is going to be you will be able to do it, or you will be just able to use it only. So I mean, it's pretty cool because this enables the future of communication in the way that you can own your own network as well, like your computer mining, so on and so forth. You can do it in network and everything else. Then other stuff that they said about it, they will also use a different possibility for you to simply get tracked. In this way you will be able to, they will be able to see how much network usage you are having in this area, or this area, so they will actually try to cover this area specifically because of course they see that there is demand, but this is more a courtesy for them than other, honestly. And okay, shipping is going to be the 420, which made me laugh a lot for very obvious reasons. But yeah, okay. And if you have a Saga Pass, like I bought, then you will be able to order it like now, and instead otherwise first you need to wait for all the Saga Pass holder to fill their orders, and then you will be able to order it. No big deal. But let's just get into what the Saga Pass does, because Saga Pass was available up to the minute before the event, and this pass was costing $100 USDC, so $100, and gives you $100 discount on the Saga phone itself, and it also gives you $200 discount in the App Store. See the value. It also gives you 1 month for free of Helium network on top, And it also gives you substantial discounts for accessories, such as the Panzer glass or the cover that they are sold in the website, by the way. And it also gives you VIP access to the online events or the events in general that they will be doing. So $400, I think I did definitely a good deal on this.
Definitely.
And also you will get the NFT airdrops, which is what originally I signed for because all the other benefits were not disclosed back then. So on top of this, I also decided to go a little bit for an extra mile in here, because I realized that some questions were a little bit, some things that they said were a little bit tricky, they were not exactly explaining. So I went through the customer support on top, which I love to do, and unfortunately, and I got a couple of extra information for you that were not in the AMA as well. So these ones are: do you want to use an operator that is not Helium? Because, for example, you have a contract with an operator like me, for example, it would have been a deal breaker otherwise. Yes, you can. Maybe not all will be covered right away. There could be something about it, but anyway, in the majority of cases, all Android phones will be kind of the same from this aspect. And another part, it's you from another Android device, basically the encryption method of the Vault. It's different, so people will not be able to see with the screen recording what you are doing within the Vault. So this gives you a lot of security, because there are an increasing and exponential amount of phishing attacks and stuff like this. So this layer of security really makes it so sweet for me. Okay, so you can also put your MetaMask, you can add any other wallet. They are going to be supported. There is just not going to be supported the Solana network, which I love, it's my favorite. But unfortunately not all the things are made on Solana at the moment, at least at the moment of publication, just the day of the event, an hour after. And so Helium is not an exclusive collaboration, so they are looking for other type of partners as well. I mean, like, they are not close to Helium in an exclusive way, so I mean, it's going to be pretty open as a phone by itself to use. Is not going to have the stupid limitation that you can see in some companies that just let you use one operator, one thing or something, because this was a little bit scary, because it can be a deal breaker for many. And instead, no problem at all. And vabbè, of course I tried as a good Italian to use my pass for ordering earphone as well. And yeah, okay, basically they told me that the pass will be used only for one, but in theory you will not burn your pass, you will keep your pass as a collector item, even because of all the other stuff. You will just be able to use it toward one device, because you get $100 discount. So it makes sense, right? Okay, this was all. I'm super excited by the news, by this new phone. Probably will make a product review. We'll just go deep into the details of this project, because I've been waiting for it since the announcement 1 or 2 years ago. So stay tuned for more, okay?
See you soon.
Thanks
Put
for
a
watching.
like and subscribe.
Bye!
Bye bye.